What if I told you your WordPress website could have a serious problem even when everything looks perfectly normal? No broken pages, error messages on the front end, and warning signs. Yet behind the scenes, WordPress may be struggling to communicate with itself. One of the most common indicators of this is a site health warning that says, "The REST API encountered an error." And in this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix the REST API encountered an error warning in WordPress. Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. The WordPress REST API is what allows WordPress to communicate with the server and exchange information using JSON data. Many important website features rely on the REST API, including the block editor, site health, plugins, themes, and third-party integrations. When you save a post, publish a page, or use certain plugins, WordPress may send a request through the REST API. The server is supposed to respond properly. But if that request gets blocked, redirected, broken, or returns an unexpected result, WordPress may show this warning: "The REST API encountered an error." Before we continue, if you're looking to build a WordPress website without spending days setting everything up manually or having to resolve errors like this yourself, check out Gigapress AI. Gigapress AI is our AI website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce. It generates a complete professional website in minutes and includes fixing bugs just like this one in our plans. Simply describe your business, upload some photos, and Gigapress AI can generate a complete professional WordPress website with pages, content, navigation, and design automatically. Best of all, if you have an existing website, you can just enter your URL and it'll do a full redesign for you using your existing content. And unlike many website builders, Gigapress AI creates a real WordPress website, giving you full ownership, complete access to the WordPress dashboard, and total control over your site. Visit Gigapress.net and try Gigapress AI now. So let's go through the steps to fix it. The first thing we need to do is check whether the REST API is actually working on your website. Open a new browser tab. Then type your website domain followed by /wp-json/. If the REST API is working properly, you should see a page with code-like text. This may look confusing, but that's normal. It simply means your site is returning REST API data. But if you see a 404 error, 403 error, blank page, security warning, or server error, then something is blocking or breaking the REST API. Once you know the REST API endpoint is not loading properly, you can move on to the next methods to fix it. One of the most common fixes for REST API errors is resetting your permalinks. Permalinks control the URL structure of your WordPress website. If the rewrite rules are broken or outdated, WordPress may not be able to access the REST API properly. To reset them, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, then select Permalinks. You don't need to change anything here. Just scroll down and then click Save Changes. This refreshes your permalink structure and regenerates the rewrite rules for your site. Now go back to Tools, then Site Health, and run the check again. You can also open your website, followed by /wp-json/ again, to see if the REST API is now loading correctly. Let me quickly share something useful for business owners. Once your website is running properly, the next challenge is usually not just getting traffic, it's turning that traffic into leads and sales. That's where RevHero comes in. RevHero is an AI-powered sales automation platform designed to help businesses book more meetings and grow their pipeline without manually handling cold outreach. It works like a virtual sales team, running automated campaigns across email, SMS, and phone calls, using AI to personalize messages and improve engagement. Instead of spending hours prospecting and following up manually, RevHero automates that process so your team can focus on what actually moves the needle: closing deals. If you'd like to see how it can support your sales strategy, you can learn more at RevHero.ai. I'll leave a link for you in the description. If the warning is still there, move on to the next method. Now let's continue with the next method. Method 3. Check your WordPress URLs. Incorrect site URLs can also cause REST API errors. This is especially common after moving a website, changing domains, or switching from HTTP to HTTPS. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and click General. Look for WordPress address URL and site address URL. Make sure both URLs are correct. They should use the same domain and the same protocol. For example, if your website uses SSL, both URLs should start with https:// and not http://. If one field uses HTTP and the other uses HTTPS, that mismatch can cause REST API problems. Also, make sure there are no extra spaces, missing characters, or incorrect domain names. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click Save Changes. Then check Site Health again to see if the REST API warning is gone. If your URLs and permalinks are correct, the next thing to check is your plugins. Plugins are one of the most common reasons the REST API gets blocked or returns an error. This is especially true for security plugins, caching plugins, optimization plugins, firewall plugins, or plugins that disable REST API access. To test this, go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Select All Plugins. Then, from the Bulk Actions dropdown, choose Deactivate. Then click Apply. Now go back to Tools, then Site Health, and check if the REST API error disappears. If the warning is gone, then one of your plugins is causing the issue. To find the exact plugin, reactivate your plugins one by one. After activating each plugin, check Site Health again. When the REST API warning comes back, the last plugin you activated is likely the problem. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. If you can't access your WordPress dashboard, you can deactivate plugins using FTP. Open FileZilla and connect to your website. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once connected, go to your root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name. Open the WP-content folder. Then find the plugins folder. Rename it to something like plugins_deactivated. This will deactivate all plugins at once. Now check your site again. If the REST API error disappears, rename the folder back to plugins, then reactivate your plugins one by one from the dashboard until you find the plugin causing the issue. If plugins are not the issue, the next thing to check is whether a firewall or security rule is blocking the REST API. Security tools are useful, but sometimes they can be too strict. They may block requests to /wp-json/, which is the main REST API endpoint. If you use a security plugin like WordFence, Securi, iTheme Security, All-in-One WP Security, or another firewall plugin, check its settings. Look for options related to REST API, firewall rules, blocked requests, login protection, or hardening settings. Temporarily disable the security plugin and check Site Health again. If the error disappears, then the security plugin was likely blocking the REST API. Do not leave your security plugin disabled permanently. Instead, reactivate it and adjust the firewall settings. If you're using Cloudflare or another web application firewall, log into your account and check the firewall events. Look for blocked requests going to /wp-json/. If you see those requests being blocked, adjust the rule or ask your hosting provider for help. You should also clear your cache after making changes. If you use a caching plugin like WP Rocket, Lightspeed Cache, or W3 Total Cache, open the plugin settings and click Clear Cache, Purge All, or Delete Cache. If your host has server-side caching, clear that as well. Then check Site Health again. Method 6. Contact your hosting provider. If you've tried all the previous methods and the REST API error still appears, the issue may be coming from your hosting environment. Some hosts may have server-level firewall rules, mod security rules, rewrite problems, or PHP configuration issues that block the REST API. Contact your hosting provider and tell them that WordPress Site Health is showing the REST API encountered an error. And that's it. That's how you fix the REST API encountered an error warning in WordPress. By checking the REST API endpoint, resetting permalinks, verifying your WordPress URLs, testing plugins and themes, reviewing firewall settings, and contacting your hosting provider when needed, you should be able to get the REST API working properly again. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit Gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.